Alright guys, I thought I would do a special video since I got my car, new car, eat pizza in the car. So that's my title guys, eat pizza in the car. So this pizza is not from Papa John's, Domino's, or Pizza Hut. This is from my local family-owned restaurant called Rocco's. Make really good pizzas. I got the vegetarian, although I thought it included tomatoes. It doesn't. So I don't know. I never heard of vegetarian pizza not including tomatoes, but this is kind of expensive. I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments about the price. It was $19.60 for a small. Oh, this small looks actually really big for a small, but it's a really good pizza. So let's try some. All right, let's try. Let's try it. It's very hot. It just came out of the oven. When I just opened the box, it was steaming. So it's nice and hot. So it's great. That, so guys, what's great about pizza, eating pizza in the car, it's gonna be super hot. It's really good. I got these 6 packs of Cokes. These little small ones for like $2.50 at Target, I think. I think Coke and pizza go really well together. What do you guys like to drink on with your pizza? Do you like your favorite drink that you have to have, or does it matter? Like water? Good. Bread's really good. So the pizza, if you're curious, looks like it has mushrooms, bell peppers, olives, and I think onions. I think that's pretty much it. I think Emma actually mentioned that she likes my car videos because you can see the pizza really close up, or you can see the food close up, and it's true. It's more close up. It's good though. I also love Round Table a lot. I think Round Table might have, this small pizza might be a little bit smaller than this. This is pretty, it's like a medium to me. So yeah, it's kind of expensive, but I figure it's worth it because I got a new car, a little celebration, you know. I do think they should add tomatoes to her. I never had a veggie pizza without tomatoes, so I don't know if it's they forgot it or that's how they do it here. I didn't see no big tomatoes. I didn't even look at the menu to see what was on here. I figure you traditional, you know, veggie options. Yeah, next time I'm gonna add extra sauce on here, guys. The sauces in here is really good. They definitely add a lot of mushrooms. I don't usually like mushrooms, but on pizza I just like it. I don't know why, it's kind of weird though, but. Yeah, I think it's good on pizza. But they put a lot of toppings, like the olives. There's a lot of olives in here. Okay, a lot of olives. Mmm. Really good. Really good. Hmm. Yeah, I've been wanting to do another pizza video in my car because I like watching other people do pizza videos on their car. So that's kind of cool, you know. Yes, one of my subscribers, Lucas, was like saying, "Hey, you shouldn't eat in the car because it's going to get everything greasy in the car. You don't want to eat food in the car and get everything greasy." And Lucas, yeah, you have a point. But I thought it would be a fun video to do. I'm going to title this video, "Eating Pizza in My New Car." So yeah, I got a new car. I got it yesterday. Super excited. It's a Hyundai Elantra, not a Hyundai. Which I've been reading about this car. Everybody says it's a pretty good car. It has good gas mileage. That's really good. Apparently, this type of car gets less crashes. So that's good too. Alright, I think I have one more. And then after the video, I'm going to show you my car in case you guys didn't see my last video. So it was a live video, and I kind of, at the very end, I did a Burger King video, and I showed you my last car. Me and my car at the end of the video, but it was kind of a live video, and yeah, I want this to be a regular video so the connection in the video will be better. Because when you go live, you're live streaming, so the connection isn't the best. But yeah, I'm going to show you my car after this video, just a little bit of the car. It is red. I wasn't sure about getting red, but just the way it drove was just so smooth. Like pushing the brake was smooth. Driving it was just so, everything was so smooth about it. I tested out 3 cars, and this was the most smooth. And it didn't have a key, keyless thing, you know, like push a start thing, but so I have a regular key, but it does have a screen, which I really wanted, and it connects to my iPhone really well, so that's one of the things I really wanted, so. And so yeah, that's really good gas mileage. asked me what happened to my Honda. Their insurance company towed it away. So they took care of that for me. That was nice of them. So I'm forced to have a rental for a few weeks until I find a car, but I wanted to get one immediately. I just want to, you know, when I want something, like my mom says, when I want something, I go get it. I don't just like wait around. I want something, and I'm a Taurus. I don't have a lot of patience. I want it now. That's how I am. So I don't know, I might do less car videos, I'm not sure. I don't want to get my car really messy. My last Honda, 2002 Honda was really, I didn't really take care of it. And I ate fast food, I just threw everything on the freaking floor. But I don't really take care of this car since it's brand new. Well, it's not brand new, it's pretty much new. Only has 40,000 miles on it. It's a 2018. So it's pretty much brand new to me. I got a brand new car. That's to me though, you know. So I might still do live videos or videos on the car, but maybe not as much. I'm not sure. I gotta make sure I don't leave the food in the car. Just take it out right away. Alright guys, let me show you the car inside and out. Alright, so here is the Hyundai Elantra. It's red. Here's the back seat. I like these seats, they feel really soft. So, it's cool. It's kind of spacious too. And here's the front. Nice steering wheel right here. There's the LCD screen. And you can see there's a key. And this is where the brake is. When I had my rental, the brake was like down there somewhere. I like the brake here. I don't know. So there's the pizza, half of it left. And yeah, the seats are really nice. I think the seats are really cool. It has this thing right here, but you can put some stuff here. And I like how this locks. It's a good lock. You can put your sodas there. There's more drinks. It's pretty cool. You can put more stuff there if you want. There's all these controls. I have to figure out what to do with that. There's a lot of controls that I'm not used to. You know, they upgraded since 2002, so. Alright guys, that's my new Hyundai Elantra. Let me know what you think. If you have a Hyundai, let me know. I'm curious if you like your Hyundai or not. Alright guys, thanks for watching.